The Numeral Dance, story by Pam Skiller and Rochelle Bartkowick, illustrated by Chris Sexton. The numeral dance is fun. It starts with numeral 1. There's a move for you, and that's all you have to do. So gather near, your numeral you will hear. Then you can dance with me. Can you wiggle numeral 1? It's time to have some fun. Can you tap numeral 2? You know what to do. You can dance with me. Can you twist numeral 3? As twisty as can be. Can you float numeral 4? Can you soar across the floor? Can you spin numeral 5? Let's all do a little jive. Can you slide numeral 6? Show us all your little tricks. Come and dance with me. Can you snap numeral 7? Let's keep the party revving. Can you shake numeral 8? You're looking really great. Can you shimmy numeral 9? You're looking mighty fine. The numeral dance is fun, but now it's time to run. So let's all move once more. Spin and slide across the floor. Let's all shimmy. Let's all soar. Let's all wiggle. Let's all shake. Let's all snap. Let's all tap. Now let's take a break. Whoo. The end.